Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a profile picture on Glassdoor in 2026. Now, if you want your Glassdoor profile to look professional and trustworthy, adding a clean photo is the first thing that you should do. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, simply search for glassdoor.co.in. Once you are here on the official website of Glassdoor, you need to log in here with the help of your email address or your Google account. So once you are inside, you are going to see this type of main dashboard in front of you. Here, in order to change your profile picture, you first need to get access to your profile section. For that, click on this human icon or the profile icon on the top right hand corner. Then click on the option of profile. So this is going to take you to the main profile page where all of your personal details are going to be appeared. So over here in the left hand side, we have this profile option available. So when you click on this pencil icon, your gallery will be opened in front of you. You need to select or upload that particular profile picture which you want to set here. After selecting it, you can use this slider in order to zoom in and zoom out so that you could adjust your picture. Now, once it is done, you can click on the option of save. If you want to change it, click on the option of replace and select some other image. Afterwards, when you click on the option of save, you will notice that now your profile picture has appeared on Glassdoor. If it doesn't appear in one go, you can click on the option of this refresh icon on the top, and then when you refresh your page, you will see that you have your profile picture ready. So this way you will be able to add a profile picture on Glassdoor in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.